welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get instant PayPal payouts using Make Money app. Step 1, go to the App Store or Google Play and then search Make Money dash Earn Easy and then install it. Sign up with your email or Google account and make sure you use a valid one since it'll link to your PayPal. Now, first of all, start earning. Complete easy in-app tasks like watching ad, completing surveys, trying free app offers. Each task gives you coin, and 1,000 to 5,000 coins equal $5 depending on your region. Reach the payout limit. Once your balance hits the minimum withdrawal, use the $5, tap the wallet redeem icon once you earn money, and then select PayPal as your payout method and enter the same email you use for a PayPal account. Even one typo can block your payment. Tap withdraw, confirm. If your account is verified and active, you'll often receive the money instantly or within 30 minutes. First time users may wait up to 24 hours for verification. Step 6, check your PayPal confirmation. You'll see a payment from Free International Calls app Ltd. The company behind Make Money. Safety tip: never share your PayPal password or replay to fake payout emails. Payments will appear automatically in your real PayPal account. Quick fix: if PayPal is delayed, make sure you meet the minimum threshold. Double check your PayPal email. Contact Make Money support through the in-app help section, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick